Hi, I'm Dale Stockdyke, Internet Marketing Consultant and founder of Marketing 2.0. Our video today demonstrates the tools and techniques covered in the Marketing 2.0 blog post, how to scrape a search engine results page for your SEO project. And we'll introduce you to a helpful and free Firefox browser extension called OutWit Hub. We can use OutWit Hub for web data extraction and to import that data into an Excel spreadsheet or database. This is really helpful when we want to analyze search engine rankings for various keywords, or when we want to review which of our website pages have been indexed by a search engine. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a web scraper for Google with OutWit Hub, and use OutWit Hub to scrape a Google search results page, and last, how to export that data into an Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. To follow along, I recommend that you visit OutWit Technologies homepage at outwit, outwit.com to download and install a copy of OutWit Hub. After installing and restarting your Firefox browser, you'll see a new button on your navigation toolbar next to the web address field. For our project today, we're going to navigate to Google's homepage, where we're going to do a site search for a specific domain. To do this, we type in the site command, S-I-T-E, followed by a colon, and then the domain name, in this case, it is going to be gemstonedesignsforyou.com. Now, since I already know that there are over 100 pages for Gemstone Designs website, we're going to use the advanced search so we can see as many pages as possible and select the maximum number of results per page, 100. And you can see now that as we scroll down, we've got a full page of results, 100 results, and an additional 15 on the second page. Okay, we've got our search results now, the 115 pages that have been indexed by Google for Gemstone's Designs. And let's go to that OutWit Hub button again in our browser menu and click on it to get the OutWit Hub browser to appear here, showing us, of course, in the central browser window the page that we're examining. And I'm going to mention at this point that OutWit Hub comes with built-in functionality that does a really nice job on simpler pages of capturing that information if it's presented in a table format or list. It will also attempt to guess at the information that you're looking for. But to save time, what we're interested in is creating our own custom scraper. And so I want you to click on the source button. And it's going to show us two windows here now in the center, one showing us the source code, and then on the right, an editor window that we're going to use to create our custom scraper. So let's click on New, and to create our scraper, and it says to us we want to create a scraper that is going to be applied to URLs starting with google.com. That's absolutely correct. And we're going to give a name to this. I'm going to call it, obviously, Google Scraper, excuse me. And I'm interested in capturing just 3 fields here. I'm interested in capturing the page title, the page description, and lastly, the URL to the particular page. And now we need to examine the source code, and we're going to be looking for unique markers in front of and behind the information, typically HTML in front of and behind the particular information we're looking to collect. So scrolling down to the first search result and examining the code HTML in front of that first item, the title of the page, Gemstone Designs, we can see that the code includes HTML for starting a list, H3 type of heading, and then lastly a link which is specific to this particular page. So I'm going to collect that middle item, the HTML that says this is going to be an H3 class equals R tag, and then we're going to look behind the title and capture copy and paste the close H3, and proceed to the page description. You can see just one tag here after the H3 for the div class equals S. And now when we look at the end of the page description, we've got code here. None of it is a closed div. I'm going to try a couple of items here that includes the site tag that begins the URL, link to the URL to the particular page. So I'm going to capture and paste the break and the site tag, and then of course the site tag, open site tag, and close surround the particular URL that we're interested in. And so I'm going to capture both of those. And there you have it. Let's try it by saving it. And click on Scraper to see our results. We can see the page title, description, URL, and the three columns to the right. And if we scroll down, we can see that we've captured all 100 items. Now, at this point, what I recommend doing is selecting all and exporting by going to File, Export Selection as Excel, and we're going to save that to our desktop. Now, alternatively, we could use the catch button immediately below, but it's not working as well as actually exporting what we have in this window, at least for now. So I recommend going ahead and exporting the contents here, and we'll take a look at the Excel spreadsheet that we've created. You can see the title, description, URL. I'm going to hide the source URL here so we can get a better look. And scroll down, and there's 100 items. So we've captured, looks like the results that we were after. And we need to do the same again for the second page of search results, the additional 15 items. But again, for now, I recommend this is the best way to collect all of the results in that search window. I hope you've enjoyed our video here. Please visit our website, marketing20.com, to read the entire blog post, which will give you some additional examples for custom scrapers. And also you can learn more about our services, www.marketing20.com. Thanks so much.